Welcome to my Cuisine Master Review. Want to have a high-in-demand and evergreen product to sell immediately? Grab this marvelous collection of viral Cuisine video pack with exclusive resell rights to sell as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. All brand new, high-in-demand product in evergreen niche with resell rights. Brand new, engaging videos in high-demand niche everyone will love. Covering the most trending business niches to reach the wider audience. Save your time, effort and money on hiring unskillful content creator. All done for you and ready to upload on various social media to get viral traffic. Claim the commercial and resell rights to a proven to sell package. Use it to generate maximum profits with minimum input of time and money. Grab this offer at the dirt cheap price. Get instant access now. Are you still struggling to start your own digital business and make money online? To make a real money and sustainable business in online space, you will need one thing: selling your own product. A product that is trendy, hot, and high in demand that people from all the fields are wishing to get their hands on. And when you sell some products you own, you get to establish yourself as an authority while you keeping 100% of the profits to yourself. So, we offering you a smart and efficient solution. Grab this premium quality product with exclusive resell rights as the ultimate solution for you to make big money. Faster. Easier. This money-making premium reselling opportunity will skyrocket your profits in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Download our ready-to-sell product. Step number 2. Put your name on it. Step number 3. Start selling and get profits. What could potentially take you months of work can now take you just 3 easy steps to complete. Proudly presenting Cuisine Master Viral Video Pack, the ultimate collection of premium viral cooking video training for various cuisines from around the world, plus compliment pack of delicious ebook recipes, all in one bundle. With commercial and resell rights, 500 exotic and engaging videos. Conversion-focused content. Save time, money and effort. Perfect to boost your followers. Zero content creation skill needed. Commercial and resell license. Grab this offer at the lowest price today. Get instant access now. Part number 2. Premium ebook recipes. With commercial, resell rights license. Having premium ebooks of various recipes from around the world. With HD cooking videos in one bundle is a whole package that anyone could ever require for learning and selling this high-converting product. Part number 3. 300 recipes, articles for blog. With commercial, resell rights license. You'll get various articles about cooking and cooking recipes in a text file, which means you don't even have to invest time in writing the recipes you're making for your audience blog. You'll receive unrestricted PLR license to all these articles, so you can use it, giving away, or resell it in any way, for any price want. 300 cookies and recipes articles. Grab full access to Cuisine Master Video Pack for one-time investment only. Get instant access now. How to take benefits from this premium quality product. You can use it for your own project or client's project for unlimited uses. You can bundle it with your other products you own. Sell them for higher price you want. Make small bundles of individual product and sell them for pure profit. You can retain paying members by adding this product to your paid membership site. Unlock the huge potential of Cuisine Master Video Pack to accelerate engagement and earn limitless profits. How to make money with this advanced licensed product. The package holds limitless potential. Use it with complete confidence to gain insane profits for your own. JVZoo.com, Marketplace. WarriorPlus.com, Marketplace. ClickBank, Marketplace. Creative Market, Etsy, Marketplace. Digital Store, B+W, Opt-in. And a lot more. So many possibility and place you can use to make money with this product. Don't wait any longer. Grab full access to Cuisine Master Video Pack with 50% discount. You have 2 different options to get this product: commercial use. You can use the product in your own commercial projects and projects you create for clients. You can charge your clients money for the projects you create for them using the assets in this product. Get the lowest price today with 50% discount using coupon COM50. Discount code only available for 5 days, only during the launch event. After 5 days, coupon will be removed. Price before discount, resell rights. With this advanced license you can sell this product as your own, under your name, your buttons, etc. With the resell right license you can sell unlimited number of copies and keep all of the money. Normal price $59. Get the lowest price today with 50% discount using coupon SELL50. Discount code only available for 5 days. Only during the launch event. After 5 days, coupon will be removed. Price before discount. Product launching in May 28, 2023. 9 EDT. You must hurry. The 50% discount code only available for 5 days, during the launch event. After 5 days, coupon will be removed, expired. Thanks for watching.